Hi, welcome to AXA Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. We will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these problems. And lastly, we will show you the fastest and smartest way to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. Find the fraction such that if numerator is multiplied by 2 and 2 is added to the denominator, the fraction equals 2. If the numerator is squared and 2 is added to the denominator, the fraction equals 7. A. 5/3. B. 4/8. C. 7/5. D. 3/2. E. 8/5. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve the problem first before we do. So, the standard method. Let the original fraction be x over y. Therefore, new fraction equals 2x over y plus 2 equals 2. 2x equals 2y plus 4, or x equals y plus 2 is equation 1. Also, x squared over y plus 2 equals 7. Therefore, x squared over 7 equals y plus 2, which is the equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, x squared over 7 equals x. Therefore, x equals 7 and y equals 5. And the fraction is 7/5. And the answer is letter C. The estimated time to arrive at the answer is 60 seconds. Now for the fun part. Let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT using the latest ChatGPT 4. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option C, 7/5. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. It's now analyzing the problem. Let's see how fast it can give us the correct answer. And we're still waiting. Alright, it took some time. And according to ChatGPT, the correct answer is letter C, 7/5, which is the same answer we got from the standard method. Now let's try this on Google Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option C, 7/5. Let's see how Gemini solves this problem. It's now showing us how it solved the problem. And it gave us the correct answer, letter C, 7/5. That was a lot quicker than ChatGPT. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Simply read the first part of the question and find those options that satisfy the condition as shown below. A. 5/3 is equal or greater than 5 times 2 over 3 plus 2 equals 10 over 5 equals 2, which satisfies the first condition. B. 4/8 equal or greater to 4 times 2 over 8 plus 2 equals 8 over 10 equals 4/5, which does not satisfy the first condition. 7/5 equal or greater than 7 times 2 over 5 plus 2 equals 14 over 7, which is equal to 2, which satisfies the first condition. D. 3/2 equal or greater than 3 times 2 over 2 plus 2 equals 6 over 4 equals 3/2, which does not satisfy the first condition. E. 8/5 equal or greater than 8 times 2 over 5 plus 2 equals 16 over 7, which does not satisfy the condition. This leaves us with options A and C only. Now look at the second condition. Apply this to options A and C only as follows. 5/3 equal or greater than 5 squared over 3 plus 2 equals 25 over 5, which is equal to 5, which does not satisfy the condition. Hence, the answer is option C. Just to verify, 7/5 equal or greater than 7 squared over 5 plus 2 equals 49 over 7, which is equal to 7, which satisfies the condition and hence is the final answer. Estimated time to arrive at the answer is 15 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axelearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.